Hello, welcome back to the channel. 1st of April, Easter Monday. I hope you're all doing well. Yeah, look at the weather. But I had to go into town, so I thought I'd just do a video. I wasn't going to do one today, but it's not very nice here again today. Yeah, it's mucky. I've got the umbrella today. The windproof umbrella. But anyway, I think the majority of you enjoyed the 2 videos over the weekend. There was a few people didn't, but I can't please everybody. And I can't do them all the time. So it's back to just doing what you might call a straightforward video, but I just try and mix and match everything I do and try and get me exercise in and make myself feel better, and hopefully you enjoy it. But it is what it is. Yeah, look at that. It's like a mill pond, isn't it? Very still. Very still. I've come out with an umbrella to keep myself dry, and I put on a pair of training shoes. I've got a tiny hole in them, so that isn't a very good move, is it? Yeah, so I've done a few walk in the pubs and just showed you some views of what they're like for those who don't go in there or don't want to go in them particular ones. And I will continue to do bits and pieces like that. I can't do them all on one weekend. There's not many people about, is there? I really didn't want to go out, but I've got to get a few things. We've had 2 reasonable days over the Easter holidays anyway. But obviously we call this the Easter holidays, the weekend. But we forget that the children are off for 2 weeks. And these poor parents have got to keep these kids entertained when the weather's like this, which is hard work and also can be very costly. Very costly. My phone's going now, so I'll be right back. Right, I'm back. So I just had to take a phone call. And anyway, for those that know me a little bit better than the others, I thought I'd let you know that my son had his 2nd daughter yesterday at 6:15 yesterday evening. So I'm a granddad twice now. So a little girl, Aria, I think that's how you pronounce it, Aria. So yeah, there's a lot of people probably not interested, but there are people that I'm close to on this channel, so yeah, I'm a granddad for the 2nd time. And they just come home, he just rang me to say that he'd come home. There's the Bee's Knees, the latest new bar in Blackpool there. Oh God, this weather. Look at that for an old tramp. Oh, why did I put these shoes on? I'll never know why I've put these shoes on. Oh, it's absolutely miserable, isn't it, folk, doing this, but so I don't know what else I've got to mention. Don't want to start repeating myself, do I? Just thank you very much for the new subscribers. Sack full of new subscribers, and I hope you enjoy the channel. It is a mixer thing, so it won't always be round the pubs and the bars. Just try and do a mix of everything. But as we head into the summer, I'll try and do more of these evening ones when it's dark. I just love filmmaking and making films. I'm not that good at it, but I enjoy it. So yeah, I do get a lot of negative criticism from time to time, but I'm not bothered. Anyway, that's enough of that. We've gone through everything. It won't be long before these trams start going up this street up to the station. But yeah, as you can see, it's a bit mucky here in Blackpool, isn't it? It would have been alright if I'd have come out in decent shoes. So I hope you're all having a good Easter. Maybe you got the same sort of weather as me, us. We've had 2 days, I don't know what the rest of it is for the week. It's just for these people who spend a lot of money coming away. And it's lucky that the majority of people come to Blackpool don't do weeks or 2 weeks, do they? They do 2 nights, 1 night, 3 nights probably maximum. But you just gotta, like anywhere in this country, it's always a gamble with the weather, isn't it? Anyway, I shall catch you when I get into the town, because you've seen all this bit, and I'll catch up with you a bit and we'll have a wander through the town. And so I've got to get a few things that I didn't really want to put off until tomorrow. Absolutely miserable, isn't it? Absolutely miserable. It really is nasty out here today. Oh, absolutely miserable. Oh, guys. I think I'm going to put these trainers in the bin once I get home. I've got 2 pairs the same, and I think I'll just wear these ones out when it's dry, and I've just put the wrong ones on, haven't I? Anyway, this is not as exciting as the weekend ones, which most of you understand, but as long as the new subscribers understand, I do a bit of everything. Bit of Abingdon Street. Of course, Mondays is half price burgers. Mondays, and they're good burgers in there. So yeah, if you are in Blackpool, we do half price Mexican meal on one night and half price something the next night. I think it's a Monday, Tuesday and a Wednesday they do it. Oh my feet are absolutely drenched. Yeah, what a horrid day it is here. Right, I'll leave the video there. Just a standard vlog, just having a walk around Blackpool. Hope you enjoyed it. Once again, thank you to everybody that watches the channel and the ones that subscribe so they don't miss any videos I do, and I shall catch you all again in a week. Enjoy the rest of your day or weekend. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.